first ingredient, you will be needing some instant coffee. Then you will be needing some sugar and 1 tablespoon. Then you will be needing a mixer or a whisk. I prefer to use a mixer because it mixes the ingredients quicker. You will also be needing some hot boiling water. So these steps are pretty simple, adding 2 tablespoons of each ingredient. After all of your ingredients are in the bowl, you're gonna grab your mixer or your whisk and just mix the ingredients all in. You're gonna wanna mix for about 15 minutes, and I know this takes a while, but the end result and the taste is amazing. You wanna mix it until it's like a really thick consistency. So I felt like the bowl was a little too big and my ingredients weren't mixing well enough, so I just decided to put them in a cup just to make sure that all the ingredients were mixed well enough and just the right amount of thick. And I definitely feel like this sped up the process. Okay, so this is what the coffee should look like. It should be really thick and rich. And there's me being a weirdo. Okay, so you are gonna need some ice and you're just gonna fill it halfway. Then I'm just grabbing some milk, or you can grab whatever you prefer. Then you're going to wanna take your milk and just fill it halfway. Okay, this is the fun part. So you're gonna take your whipped coffee and just add it to the top. Once you've done that, you're just gonna wanna mix everything in.
Что-то на... It's pretty good actually. Wow. It's pretty good and creamy. I like that.
Dad, drink it. You didn't drink it yet. Do it for my video. Just do it for my video.
No, it's a good coffee.
Oh my gosh, you're so
But it's like creamy, like ice cream.
No, it's really good actually. Wow.
crunchy.